and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on some Hendrix style exercises, how to play in the Hendrix style and all these little tricks here. So this is part one, there will be another video on that. So first of all, let's work on his famous guitar chord. It's the E7 sharp 9. So it's a dominant chord and we have an augmented ninth in there. So here we go, we're going to go on the E here, so fret 7, 7, 6, 7, and 8. And the cool thing here is that you can use the open string for that. This chord has been so many times used. Without Hendrix, you wouldn't have Stevie Ray Vaughan, you wouldn't have the Red Hot Chili Peppers, you wouldn't have Steve Vai, Joe Satriani, Prince. Jimi Hendrix was their reference for all their guitar playing. Remember also he played with Fat Dominoes, he played with Little Richards, B.B. King. He was sideman for all those great musicians. So you learn all those little tricks probably listening to the piano and all the other instruments. Enough talking, let's go on riff number 1 here. So here we go on the E7 sharp 9. Play it again. Let's go on riff number 2. So here we're going to use a little bit of a blues pentatonic that's really close to that position here. So you can create your own riffs like that. There's many. If you listen to Purple Haze, for example, you have that little example somewhere in the song. Great. Also what Jimi Hendrix did is that he used a lot of what we call hammer-on pull-offs. He would use that on the pentatonic. So you can use your pentatonics and do really quick hammer-on pull-offs there. So here on this little exercise, I'm going to be playing on string, let's say string 5 and string 4. So the thing is, count on the beat. You could probably go faster than what I wrote on the rhythm here. Have a lot of fun playing with the Great. Now let's work on another Hendrix. I don't know if we can say a Hendrix chord, but at least he used it a lot. So Hendrix, he had really big fingers, and he was using his thumb for playing all the bar chords here. So he was, for example, playing that G add 9 here. Instead of playing it here, like this here, he was using his thumb. So at the same time, he would block string number 5. So if you're not comfortable with that position here, using your thumb, you can always work it out like that. But it won't sound the same. Okay, so. Playing on G add 9, going to A add 9, and going back to G add 9. You can also just use the high part of the chord. And have fun with that. So take your time working on that one there. Make sure that you work out all the notes there in the chord. Now, let's have a look at the last little chapter of this first exercise, Hendrix style part. Rhythm and double stop. So we've always seen some of the double stops in one of my other videos there that's pretty popular right now. So we're going to start working on G add 9 here, and we're going to add a little bit of rhythm here. So here we go, we have, we're going to brush it here, hammer on, let's do it again. So we have, okay, so there's lots more to say about Jimi Hendrix playing there. A lot of people and students ask me, I want to learn how to play this type of song by Jimi Hendrix. And I answered them by saying, do you want to learn how to play like the recording you heard, or do you want to learn how to play in the style of Hendrix? Because Hendrix never played exactly the same way all the songs. I know some people who were lucky enough to see him at the beginning of his career and at the end of his career, and sometimes you don't even recognize the song. You're maybe going to recognize the introduction of Hey Joe, and after it's just going super live following the chord progression, sometimes not. So it's really, I think, in the Hendrix style that you have to learn how to play. I hope you had fun on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube guitar lesson channel.